This demo showcases how to import product catalog and inventory from AS Color into Shopify using the Supply Master app. We begin on the product page of the Shopify admin panel. This Shopify store currently does not have any products from AS Color. Let us navigate to the Supply Master app. On the home page of Supply Master, click Add Supplier to start connecting a new supplier to your system. On the Add New Supplier page, let us select AS Color as the new supplier we would like to connect with. Enter the supplier name as AS Color USA to identify the supplier. Click Next Step to continue setting up the supplier connection. In this step, we will set up the import of inventory from the supplier to our Shopify location. Live supply inventory can be imported to any Shopify location of our choosing. In this demo, we will import the supplier's inventory to Shopify location 1. Once done, click Next. On the Product Settings tab, we can choose to publish products from the supplier to various sales channels, like the online store. Once that is done, let us also check the various default data mappings which have been preset for this supplier. On this tab, you can do things like setting your sales margin, adding tags to products, or adding custom meta fields. For now, we are happy with the default settings, so let us save this supplier. Click Save Supplier to complete setup. Next, let us select the products we'd like to import into our Shopify store. On the Products for Import tab, you can filter and preview the products you'd like to import into your store. The default filters can be changed or modified to suit your needs. Products can be selected by product ID, title, or category. You can also visually browse and select products in the Browse Catalog tab. On this tab, you can search for products in the catalog by title. If you see a product you like, you can select it for import using the checkbox. Once done with selections, you can begin importing the catalog into Shopify. Click Import Products to transfer selected products into Shopify. Once the import is done, we can review the products in the Shopify admin panel. Click AS Color to view products from this supplier. As you can see, products from AS Color have now been imported. You can click on any product to view detailed product information. Product catalog data is imported into the relevant fields on Shopify, including title and product descriptions. All product and variant images are imported. Each variant image is accurately matched to the variant it belongs to. Variant pricing is set per the markup, which was specified in the Supply Master app. Live supplier inventory is also updated to the relevant Shopify location. With the automatic import feature, all the data you see here will be automatically updated by the Supply Master app on a daily basis. This ensures that your inventory is always up to date, your product information is accurate, and your customers are presented with the latest merchandise. That brings us to the end of this demo. We have just seen how in just a few minutes we can import thousands of variants from AS Color into Shopify using the Supply Master app. The Supply Master app can be found on the Shopify App Store. Please email support if you need assistance with setup.